And the next item that we have on our list is a multi-function, multi-cleaning pen tool that I got that's meant to help us clean mostly our AirPods Pro, to be honest with you, because I use mine very often and mine get quite dirty. Now, the next item that we have on our list is this multi-function, multi-cleaning pen that I mostly got for us to be able to clean our AirPods Pro. And these came in for $1.48, but of course, you guys already know that I couldn't pass up the additional discount. So I went ahead and I bought two of them for $2.78. And let's go ahead and get it open. This is one of the attachments that comes out of it. Like a full-sized brush tool that comes out that I'm gonna guess you can use to be able to brush your, like your keyboard or other large surface items. As again, this is a fairly large brush, and whenever we're done, we simply press down and slide it back on in. And it looks like we also have a microfiber tipped wrapped stick that we can use to go ahead and clean the inside of our AirPods Pro case. And again, we simply press in and press down, slide back in. And last but not least, we seem to have a sort of like an old school pen style tool that is going to help us remove dirt, debris, and earwax out of our AirPods Pro, as well as a very, very small itty bitty little brush that is adjacent to our little tool to remove crud. And again, this is a very, very small brush. And let's go ahead and see how well this thing performs at doing the one job it's meant to do, which is to clean your AirPods or other wireless Bluetooth devices. This is our AirPods case. I'm gonna put this one in there, take this one out, brush, 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 brush. On the inside as well, brush, 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 brush. Oh, it does work. Look at that. Look at that. A product that actually does what it was designed to do. So let's go now. Let's fish our EarPods out of there. And again, we're gonna retract this one in there, and we're gonna pull out our little microfiber stick. That's what I'm gonna call this, the microfiber stick. And the microfiber stick is supposed to go into the wells of your AirPods Pro case. Again, deep in there, it's supposed to be able to go ahead and you're supposed to be able to go in like that, poke it through, get the debris out. And again, on the other side, just go ahead and poke it through like so, and just go ahead and get the debris out like so. Get it out. And it's clean. There's no more crud on there. And it's literally the exact size for you to be able to go ahead and introduce this. And again, once you're done, you simply retract it in there. We do have, remember, the full-size brush. Brush. And for those really stubborn crud or that really stubborn dirt that gets left behind in there, like so, you could just go ahead and I'm gonna guess you do this, and it cleans it. And it removes it like so. And I'm gonna guess that the microfiber stick is a lot more useful than what I originally gave it credit for, as it removed the majority of the other crud that I wasn't able to remove with the other pieces. And again, this is to clean the AirPods case itself, all right? So now, what if you happen to have some dirt and or some debris in the charging port? Well, with this little tool, you can actually go ahead and you can clean out crud that you may have stuck in there. Now, luckily for me, I don't have anything in there, and I think I should stop poking around there before I mess it up. But mine is pretty clean, but as you can see, you have enough room and enough clearance with this tool to be able to fish stuff out of there, which is very cool. In addition to having the itty bitty brush, it's going to help you clean a very, very small brush. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at our EarPods. Again, a very, very small brush. It's going to help us get in between all those little nooks and crannies. Our AirPods actually look very, very clean. They look to be, and they appear to be, in very, very good shape. The only reason why I would use this is in case, I don't know, that you were to remove the actual tips from your AirPods and you were to have some crud left in there. That's where I would go, and I would go around it like this, like so, to be able to remove most of the debris that's left around there. But again, this AirPod is fairly clean. Let's go ahead and put it back on like so. And again, if anything, you can go ahead on the inside like so and be able to remove crud and debris that's stuck inside the ear pod. But as we can see, these ear pods are in fairly good condition, and they seem to be fairly clean. And even if they weren't clean, that's what this tool is for. You can go ahead and you can take the little brush that comes along with it, and you can just go ahead and clean these things up. And they actually did a good. Again, I'm pleasantly surprised. I wasn't expecting this thing to do that good of a job, but I'm pleasantly surprised, especially since I don't clean my AirPods very often, and they do get used daily. They get used very often. They get used every single time I go to bed.